Can I get a ride? Can I get a ride?
Yeah, someone call for Uber. What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and right next to me we got Irvin. He's been in the channel numerous times, Mr. Picnic Ready with his Rivian R1S. And the reason why we are in the Model Y studios is because we are going to, where is it, Santa Clarita?
Santa Clarita.
Tesla.
To pick up the new Model X we ordered.
He ordered, not we. He ordered.
Our company ordered. Our company ordered. Yes.
And not just a Model X, but an Ultra Red Model X.
Ultra Red Plaid.
And a Plaid.
Yeah.
What interior color?
White.
White interior. Ultra Red with white. It is not his first Model X. It is second
Model X.
Second Model X.
Tesla number 6.
The first Model X who actually went through a buyback. Like,
right.
What kind of issues were you having with that?
Just multiple little issues, door issues, odd, weird electronical issues. Like the door would pop open once in a while while you're sitting there, while you're waiting. I was waiting at a charging station. I was supercharging.
Which door?
The driver door. The driver door would pop out, but I'm inside the vehicle and my phone is inside, so I don't know what it would. Anyway, it did that a few times. In different occasions. It would stay on at night. Like, it would be parked in my garage and the car would be on like that. I would walk in and the radio's on, the AC is on, and I'm outside the vehicle. So I'm like approaching the vehicle and that's happening. Little electronical things that has been documented and has went the weather seals never really stayed on. And
the weather seals on our old X
just kept popping off.
Yeah.
But that's minor to me, but like, it's just numerous things where Tesla had enough and said, you know what, we'll buy back and generously offered to buy it back, which is great because you're always protected by either a buyback or a lemon law. I think the buyback is a little easier and faster because you don't get a lawyer involved, and it's a quicker route than a lemon law. And just very lucky that they offered to buy back.
And you were sharing with me that you got everything back.
That's correct. Yeah, I got everything back. Just like I think you shared with me the first one.
On the first Model X buyback, we got everything back.
Yeah.
But the second one, they charged us for mileage.
So
but you got everything.
I got everything back. I think I looked it up. It's when the mileage hits when the first time you took it to service. And my first time taking the service was like the same week as I took delivery.
Oh, so you were already having problems from the get-go.
From the get-go, yeah. From the get-go, it was like documented, and honestly, I think it would have went a lot quicker. Like, I would have found all these problems a lot sooner. But it wasn't my primary driver. My wife was the primary driver, and she just doesn't. She's not going to spend time in the vehicle supercharging it. I'm doing that. And so when I drove the vehicle, I would find things that's wrong when I would schedule a service appointment. But my wife didn't really pay attention too much about those things. So, yeah.
Yeah. And so, if you're new to the channel, Irvin also has a Rivian R1S Gen 1 quad motor.
Yes.
In limestone.
Yes.
So your garage has an R1S and a Model X.
Yes.
And so they're pretty similar cars.
Yes.
Like, what made you get another Model X to replace the Model X?
Well, you just can't get a mod. Like, there's no other cars out there, and I looked through the catalog of cars that's kind of similar in the size, similar in the functionality, and even if we went outside and not get electric and maybe go gas or a hybrid, we just couldn't find a vehicle that did the same thing. We like the Falcon doors. We love the opening of it. We love the windshield, man. Like, what car is there now that has that same windshield?
Nothing.
Right? Even the model, the Cybertruck that you have, it kind of is high, but it's still, you can't see all the way to your head.
Yeah.
And I looked at the Lucid
Gravity,
yeah, and then that one had a permanent sun visor interrupting that windshield. So they do have a windshield that goes up there overhead, but they had a big fat sun visor that was just interrupting it. So I really value that view. When you're going on a trip or you're going to, let's say, National Forest or Zion, we're planning on going soon, and Yosemite. We went to Sequoia too on that car, and you just see the giant trees, and it's just a beautiful view. that really value. That's the number one reason why I bought that car.
Ah.
Yeah. The second reason why I bought the Plaid, the only reason why I even bought the Plaid, because that's the one that has the Yoke steering wheel. Now I just.
And your previous one has the Yoke.
Yep, and I really love the Yoke steering wheels. And again, an uninterrupted view of the display in the front. I barely touched, it's on full self driving most of the time, so I rarely touched the steering wheel. My wife got used to it too, so I didn't want to go back to the round steering wheel. I wanted to keep it a Yoke, and the Plaid is unfortunately the only way to get the Yoke. I think that if the standard Model X had the Yoke option, I would have went with the standard, because the Plaid is it's something I didn't need. I had the performance before in other Model 3s and stuff, but it just I didn't need it. I didn't need it. It wasn't on my high list. It's nice to have, but it's not on my high list. I would rather get the range than the Plaid.
And you were talking about wanting the 6-seater too. So
yeah, the captain's chairs. Yeah,
we were talking and like, well, for the amount of money that you need to pay to upgrade the 5-seater to the 6-seater, you're already there for the Plaid, and it comes with a 6-seater.
It just gets it's so close, right? It gets so close. The bridge is just a few thousands. It's really more, but and the guy mat, you're like, it's like $500. It's just, why not?
It's not $500, but the guy math is $500.
$500. It's just like, it's like that's lunch, bro. Let's just go for it. And why not? And this time I'm getting the color that I want. It's Ultra Red. I've always wanted that color. I got the previous one before they announced that new color, and so we're gonna check out what's on the 2026.
And this is 2026. So
2026.
Front cameras, the new ambient lighting, and all that, huh?
If this has the version 14 of the autopilot or the FSD, then you'll see more on this footage of us playing around in the parking lot. So we'll check it out.
Speed. Oh, look at that. It slows down the speed bump.
It sure did. No.
Look at that white interior.
Oh, it's not the part for me. Yeah, that's her. That's her.
All right, we have arrived here at the Tesla dealership, where our good friend Irvin is going to be picking up his Ultra Red Model X Plaid. Brings back memories of an Ultra Red Plaid. First time being here, and I think we've already seen it right there. So he's inside right now, probably signing some paperwork or clicking buttons on an iPad to take delivery. But this is the only Ultra Red here, so I am assuming that this is his. Yes, it is. I see his name right there. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh man, got the front camera right there. It's the new with the black badges. Nice wheels. They got the new design wheels. Man, let's go look at that Plaid badge. Oh yeah, that means don't F with me. There it is. She wanted the Yoke steering wheel with the captain chairs, 6-seater configuration. Man, I kind of miss having an X. Man, congratulations, Mr. Irvin. Yeah, I'm taking delivery too.
I want you to walk around the vehicle, make sure it does look good.
Sure. Yeah, it does match.
We inspected the vehicle, like I said.
All right.
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm the one taking delivery, dog.
You are.
What do you think, man?
I think I miss my Ultra Red, man.
I think you need to add to cart. I have a
Add to cart. Referral link?
I have a referral link. You know? Good.
Oh, let me sit back here again and bring back memories.
Okay, man. I'm accepting.
Perfect. Let me just put the...
Oh,
I mean, it doesn't...
yeah, man. He's about to accept it on his app. Dang, look at that. One of the features I miss is these cockpit glass windows. Oh my gosh. Man.
Appreciate it. Yeah, there's gonna be a survey. Oh, because 100%. Of course. I appreciate. I know.
Dude, the white is nice.
The white is nice.
Oh wow, I didn't remember these being here.
Oh, the
hooks?
Yeah,
I thought they were here. Oh no, why would they be here? Because they opened.
Right.
Oh yeah.
You're Model Y minded right now.
I know, I am.
It's okay, that's what you have.
Oh yeah, see the dark headline is really good.
The dark,
Yeah, it's nice.
The Alcantara?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't remember, but yeah.
Easier too when you open this up.
Oh.
Child seat. I thought that was easier.
So I don't remember from our Plaid. So the front has the black stitching on the edges, but the second row it doesn't have the black stitching on the edges. I thought they did.
Look at the way they did the lights is embedded into the silver trim piece.
Oh yeah.
But if you turn it off,
I didn't
it's supposed to
notice.
disappear. It's really an elegant way of putting a lighting on the car.
Yeah.
Finally putting a lighting on the car. They're late in the game, but it's at least they did it nice.
Your R1S has a new buddy in the garage.
Yeah.
Congrats.
I bought it for the red calipers, bro.
That's all it is, right?
It's the red calipers.
Like that one lady in the Philippines where she bought the Rolls Royce for the umbrella only.
Oh, you put the umbrella at the door.
That's crazy, right?
So kaya mo to kinuha dahil
Kasi ito, may payong oh. Natutuwa ako sa payong. Paano
kuha
to?
siya sa payong.
Ayan.
Oh man, I'm missing it now. All right, where do I tap to add to cart?
Dude, here, I'll send you a link to my referral.
All right, so how are you feeling right now? Your second Model X, a Plaid this time.
Super excited. I it's always exciting to take delivery of a new toy. It's very familiar, but it's new, right? So,
And you know you gotta put it on Plaid mode, right?
yeah, right as soon as we get on the on ramp here, it's gonna take off.
All right, once again, congratulations to the homie Irvin. Irv Labs, go check out Irv Labs. He does a lot of accessories for Rivian and Super 73 bikes. And now he's got a new toy to play with. And we'll see him in a future video. So that's it for this video. I'll put up my efficiency for this trip. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.